subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, LG has finally launched its new smartphone in South Korea called LG Velvet. Talking about the specifications, the LG Velvet supports a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus Cinema Full Vision POLED display with curved edges. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the LG Velvet features triple camera setup on the rear including LED flash that is placed like a water droplets. The triple rear camera houses a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 5MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the water drop notch with f1.9 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box and it comes backed by 4300 mAh battery that supports both wired and wireless charging. The smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. And it also comes with IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.2 by 74.1 by 7.9mm and it weighs around 180 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG Velvet has been priced in South Korea at 899,800 Korean won. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Aurora Green, Aurora Grey, Aurora White and Illusion Sunset color options. And it will go on sale starting from May 15th. So what do you guys think of this LG Velvet smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.